What is up guys, done at the site. In this video I'm going to show you how to see your responders form in Google Forms. So first you need to head over to your Google Forms, and then you just simply need to open the recent Google form that you want to collect the responses to. And after opening this particular form, here at the top you will see the form settings. Simply click on the settings to open the settings of this particular form. And after opening the settings, here you need to click on this responses section. You need to click on this arrow. And after that, here in the collect email section, you need to click on verified, so that this will collect the respondents' emails that are verified. And then here in the send responders a copy of the response, in this, click on when requested. So when the user requests a copy of the response, it just sends them. And after that, when you're done, on the right side at the top, you will see this I option to preview your form. Just simply preview this, and here, as you can see, to record as your email ID, and then choose the option. And after that, at the bottom you can see this toggle of send me a copy of my response, and then the user will submit the form. So this is how you can enter the form record in Google Forms. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.